Alright, so this is a quick overview on how to reduce your template, your Parallax template, the amount of areas within it. So if we just navigate to our floor plan view, we'll see that we have a number of scope boxes built into the template. This is on purpose. It's for 9 area plans. That way if you need 9, you can use 9. If you don't need any of them, you have to remove those obviously. And to do that, we have a tool that does that for you. Within the Parallax Team tab, and the template tools panel, we have a tool called area remover. All you need to do is you select the areas that you don't want anymore and it will remove them for you. So we'll just remove the last 3 chunks of areas. So we'll remove areas 6 through 9. We will see that we have 4 scope boxes that are going to go away, 390 views, which includes views that also include schedules and sheets as well. We'll go ahead and click run, and it starts removing all those elements for us with the progress bar. So it is doing something in the background. It is a lot of elements, so Revit will take a moment to get that completed for us. Alright, so whenever that process is done, we'll see that we now have less scope boxes, and we have the 5 remaining that I left. So it went through and removed all of that stuff for us. If we did that by accident, we do receive an undo that lets us be able to go back to beforehand. If we needed to do something, I'll hit undo for this. If you needed to do an action to where you have an L-shaped building, for instance, you would simply remove all the ones you don't need. So in our case, we'll say it's those 4 that we do still need for an L-shaped building, and we can remove all those elements. We also have an option to rename the leftover items as well. That takes considerably longer, and that's because it's having to rename scope boxes, sheets, renumber sheets, views, all of that stuff. So that is an option, but it does take a bit longer to run. For this case, we can do that because I would ideally want this area 6 related elements to become area 4 when we're done. So we'll just go ahead and click run and let that chug through and do what it needs to do, and then we'll check on it after. When it's complete, we'll see that the view does refresh, and we can actually navigate through to a partial plan and verify that we have area 1 through 4 now, and area 1 through 4 is L-shaped. So there it is, the area remover tool that is part of the Parallax template tools for all the versions of Revit listed below.